Hey everyone, it's Vlad with Check the Tech and welcome back to another Smart Home Savage video. Today on episode 11, we're going to take a look at the Wyze Sense Starter Kit. For $19.99, there is no better deal, period. One really cool thing, Wyze pre-installs the batteries for the sensors so you don't have to do anything there. The first item you connect is that Wyze sensor bridge into the back of a Wyze cam. So you cannot buy this product without already owning a Wyze cam first. So you open up the Wyze app, tap the menu button, add a product, and then you select which Wyze sensor that you're going to set up. After you hit that, it tells you to take the Wyze pin and insert it into the pinhole of that sensor. After you insert the pin, you hold it there until you see a light blink 3 times. After that, the bridge should be able to find your sensor and it should be on the network. After that, the fun part starts. Then you place your sensor strategically to where you'd like to have it inside your home. I decided to put one on my front door, my back door, and I put the motion sensor in the kitchen. One thing that I love about these Wyze sensors is how small they are. Their size makes it easier for you to place them anywhere in your home. Their small size makes it very helpful for you to place them in uneven grading, or if there's different panel gaps inside different parts of your home. For example, my sliding door doesn't sit flush with my wall. So what I was able to do was turn my Wyze contact sensor sideways and it still worked perfectly. My front door sill also sits unevenly from my door, and there's a slight gap, but that wasn't a problem at all. After the sensor is loaded in your app, you can tap on that sensor, and then on the top right, you can go to the gear for settings, and in there, there's the setting for sensor videos. From there, you can just pick which Wyze cam you want to trigger a video to be recorded. That's really cool. Just like other Wyze products, you can also share your sensor or share access to a sensor to somebody else. So as long as they have the Wyze app, you can type their email address, username, and then you can share access to that Wyze sensor, just like how you can do any Wyze cam or Wyze light bulb. So for me, there's the sliding door in my kitchen. So it was very easy for me to just add that camera to my back door sensor. Every time that back door is open, video clip records. So I decided to create a shortcut with my motion sensor. So at the app, I went to the menu, I went to edit shortcuts, and then I added a new shortcut. And I'm gonna name it turn on kitchen light. So for the action, I'm going to have it turn on my Wyze bulb in my kitchen. And then I'm gonna automate this task. And there are 2 ways to automate it. I can have it automatically turn on at a certain time of the day, or I could have it be triggered by an event. In this case, I'm gonna trigger it from an event. And that event is when my Wyze motion sensor detects motion. I'm gonna hit save and then done. And now it's automated. And it's that simple. Before I would use my digital assistant and just tell it to turn on the light, but now all I have to do is walk into my kitchen and the light just turns on. Pretty cool, huh? This is just one really quick example of home automation. There are so many things you can do with it. Like I said with my last video, if I get enough requests about it, I'll do a video on just that. You can also tap this shortcut button to trigger the shortcut to happen right away too. I'm giving the Wyze Sense Kit a solid check. This is an awesome product, and what's even better is there are no monthly fees to use these contact sensors or to monitor them on your phone. That's a major plus, as some of these home security systems can get very expensive. Wyze offers 14 days of free rolling cloud storage with your cam. They don't charge you any monthly fees to use these contact sensors, so you can literally secure your home with no monthly fees, and that's amazing. Now, you don't have any professional monitoring, and what I mean is if somebody opens your door or breaks into your house, nobody's gonna call the police. That would be up to you to do. But this is a great value for you to be able to monitor everything yourself. And if you're really clever, you can pair the Wyze Sense Starter Kit, a Wyze Cam, with something like Alexa Guard to give you even more protection. Alexa Guard is a free feature provided by Amazon if you have any Echo speakers. What it does is, when you're not home, you set Alexa Guard to away, and what it'll do is turn the speakers on, and it'll listen for any abrupt sounds. So it can listen for glass breaking, it can listen for like a CO2 or smoke alarm, and then it'll send you a notification. Alexa Guard can also control any smart lights in your home and make it seem like somebody's home even if you've been away. And that service is free. So you can pair a free service like this with your Wyze Cam features, and that's great amateur smart home security without any professional monitoring. I hate monthly fees. The way I see monthly fees is an infinity cost. There's a monthly fee, it does not have a finite price, it costs infinity. So I love that I can do this for $19.99 and that's it. If you guys are interested in Alexa Guard, I could also do a video about that and how to set that up. It's really cool and it's a free feature that you get with your Echoes. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, please hit that like button and share this video with anyone else who you think would also like this video too. Subscribe if you're new here and hit that notification bell if you want to know every time I drop a new video. Feel free to leave a comment below. I'll try to get to them as fast as I can. Thanks for watching. Lates.